I'm back. Raquel Flower here with the Robert and Christy real estate team. We are going to take another virtual tour through another property of ours that we have. We are actually expecting a couple people that are really interested in taking a look at this home logging on. So I just want to make sure that we give them the chance to say they are here and ready to go. Looks like we probably have the people on. So again, like if you tuned into our last property that we took a virtual tour for, it was located in Eastvale. It's a property on 13730 Hunters Run. It's a 6-bedroom property with a loft and a casita. So if you want to tune in and take a look at the information for that property, there is another live virtual tour for that home. Like we mentioned, though, in that property, with everything that's going on, we know that there are still buyers and sellers out there like you that are in a position where they need to move and they still need to find a house. So we are working very hard to find unique solutions to offer to our buyers and sellers where we can still get access into their home, even if it means virtually, and still give a way for buyers to take a look at the inside of the home. You know, we even had last night, we did a Zoom conference call with a buyer of ours that is looking to purchase a home, and the seller was able to walk us through and highlight some great specific features of that home. So we are here to try to do that for you as well and give you guys a great opportunity to take a look at this home. So let me talk to you a little bit about this particular property. It is a home off of 342 Selkirk. It's a gorgeous South Corona property located very close to schools and shopping centers. What's great is you don't have HOA for this home, but it's great curb appeal, you know, great overall neighborhood. We actually know quite a few of the neighbors that live on that street. It's a really great location. The property itself is 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Great oversized lot. The lot is over 10,000 square feet, and they've done some really great landscaping that is low maintenance, kind of that desert landscaping, so we'll be able to highlight that here in this home. So I want to talk to you about the schools for this property. It's located, of course, within the Corona Norco School District, an excellent school district out here in the Inland Empire. This particular home feeds to Foothill Elementary School, which is a K through 6 school. Then your intermediate school is Citrus Hills, which is a very popular one for the Corona area. And then the high school that this feeds to is Santiago, which is a really popular high school, great reputation, great after-school activities, and lots of things that that school offers for its students. You're located very close to those schools as well, so it's a great location too. Some of the other things in the area, you're in terms of proximity and how close you are less than a mile from basically everything that you need. Grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, Starbucks, that's important. Got to be close to Starbucks. So you're very close to all of that here. Let's go ahead and maybe get going here. The property itself, just to make sure that I mentioned, is over 3,000 square feet, and it has that great oversized lot of over 10,000. So let's go on in. So here's that great curb appeal. You can see right here they've got that desert landscaping here at the bottom. Backyard is also very low maintenance that you'll see as well. Great 3-car garage too. You've got lots of vehicles. See, there's that backyard. This is the turf as well. Here is your living room in the home. You do have a formal living room, which is separate from the family room. Here is what is technically considered your formal dining room. There is that downstairs bathroom access as well. And then, of course, you have open to the family room. I'm going to pause it right here. What's nice about this family room is you have these built-ins and these accent wall right here. You can put your TV there, put storage right here. It's open to the kitchen area too, so if you like to cook and entertain all at the same time, it's very open for you and your guests right here. Here's a great view of that family room once again. Here is your kitchen, and what's nice about this home is you also have a casual dining space too, so you do not always have to utilize that formal dining room in the home too. Here, right here, you see your laundry room. It's right off of the kitchen, so it's on the main floor. You do have a door right there too, so you can shut that door and not hear that laundry. Built-in stove right here, so that will obviously stay. Great oven and built-in microwave. Great storage around this whole kitchen. So if you love to cook, you got lots of space here. This is that casual dining space that's separate from the formal dining space. So here is your main floor bedroom slash office. So really have the capability to utilize it either way. You'll find when we go upstairs that beyond just the 4 bedrooms, you also have a great huge loft area. Double door entrance into that bedroom right here. Here is that loft space. So they have it retrofit as a theater room. So really great theme here. It's a great large space though. You can utilize it as an additional bonus room or an office space there. Here is the master bedroom. And of course, they've got a gorgeous view of the backyard here in their master. Oops, there we go. Here is your master bathroom. You've got two sinks here, separate shower and tub. Of course, a little makeup station here. That's what I like to call that, little space where us ladies can put our makeup on. Here is another bedroom here. So this is 3 of the total 4 bedrooms, all a really great size. So again, your kids aren't going to be fighting over who gets the bigger bedroom in this situation. Here is that bathroom upstairs in the hallway that the kids would share. So you got 2 sinks there. And then of course you have your 4th bedroom right here too. Here is the gorgeous backyard. So I want to talk a little bit about this backyard. They have actually equipped all of the landscaping in the backyard with a drip system. So it makes it really easy, again, for you guys to maintain. You really don't have to do a whole lot. Part of the lot square footage, they also utilize this slope area, so you can even plant some trees or have a nice garden area. Right here, they have a perma wood, which is basically like that plastic material up here for the patio cover, which comes equipped with 2 built-in fans. So super durable, great material there. You'll see in the corner, they also have a fire pit too. So we'll highlight that in a moment. There's that fire pit right there. So this is really a great entertaining space and entertainment backyard. They, of course, have the fridge out here, which would not stay, but see a great ability to add a fridge or add a backyard kitchen. But look at this space right here. Really great overall space. So I also want to talk and highlight the fact that the home does not have an HOA. It does have a special assessment, but really great news, not all special assessments last forever. So this one actually is meant to fall off. This is the last calendar year here in 2020. So their total special assessments right now on top of your base tax rate is about $1,900. About $1,500 of that is due to fall off this year though. So you're really gonna have low taxes, no HOA, all this for an amazing price of $659. So I do just want to let you know, Robert and Christy, we're going to be here and actually touring you through the property. Unfortunately, I'm sure you guys understand we are experiencing some internet connection issues. Our internet's all a little bit slower. So they will hopefully be tuning in tomorrow to give you guys a tour of a couple other properties that we still have actively available. I know that they are tuning in the best that they can, but we do want to go over some questions that you have. Let's see. Linda Howe says hi. Beautiful. Love the curtains in that room. Yes, I'm assuming that loft room. Other 2 bedrooms were just done. Just checking if anybody has any questions about the property. No HOA is totally awesome, Christina. We love that. So if anyone else has questions about this property that or features that maybe we didn't go over, feel free to direct message us on our Facebook page. We also went over, for those of you who may have missed it, another property that we have located in Eastvale. If you have any questions about any of those properties and are curious on how we might be able to help you take a look at those homes during this unique time that we're facing, message us, let us know. We'd love to help you out in any way that we can. And if you guys need anything during this time, we are here for you guys in any way that we can help. So thank you so much to everybody for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Please tune in tomorrow. We're going to be going over 2 more of our properties that are available as well at 12 o'clock and then once again at 12:30. So stay tuned again for tomorrow to do a live virtual tour of those properties. Thanks so much. Bye.